Imagine this, 3 out of 4 millennials are not investing in the stock market. That's right, 75% of people aged 25 to 34 are missing out on potentially significant financial growth. They are not taking advantage of a tool that could help them secure their financial future. And today we're going to talk about why that needs to change. Picture a young woman named Sarah. She's just started her first full-time job, and she's eager to start saving. But she's heard horror stories about the stock market, so she stashes her money in a savings account instead. This is a common scenario, but it's not the most effective strategy for long-term financial growth. Here's the thing. Investing in the stock market isn't as scary as it might seem. Sarah could start small with exchange-traded funds or ETFs. These are investment funds that are traded on stock exchanges just like individual stocks. They're a great way to start investing because they're diversified, meaning they spread the risk across many different investments. Next, imagine a man named David. He's been working for a few years and has some money saved up. He wants to start investing, but doesn't know where to start. Here's a tip for David. Start by researching. Understand what you're investing in. There are countless resources available online, from investment blogs to financial news sites, that can help him understand the market. Now, meet Lisa. She's been investing for a while, but she's not seeing the returns she expected. She's frustrated and considering pulling her money out of the market. But here's the thing. Investing is a long-term game. Patience is key. The market will have its ups and downs, but over the long haul, it's proven to be a reliable way to grow wealth. Then, there's James. He's an eager new investor, ready to throw his money at any stock that's trending. But investing isn't about following trends. It's about making informed decisions. James needs to do his homework, analyze the market, and make strategic investments. Now think about Maria. She's a seasoned investor, but she's only investing in domestic stocks. Here's a tip for Maria. Consider diversifying your portfolio internationally. This can help spread risk and potentially tap into growth in emerging markets. Let's not forget about Tom. He's been investing for years, but he's doing it all on his own. Here's a tip for Tom. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. They can provide guidance and help you make informed investment decisions. And finally, there's Emma. She's a savvy investor who's always looking for the next big thing. But here's the thing. It's not just about finding the next hot stock. It's about consistent strategic investing. Emma should focus on building a diverse portfolio that can weather market fluctuations. In the world of investing, there's always something new to learn. But with these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a more savvy investor. So, why not start today? Your future self will thank you. After all, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time, that would be now.